today's video about materials of Aari work embroidery. Here I am showing you silk threads and jerry threads, golden jerry threads, and also some kind of beads. These are all materials which we use in this Aari embroidery of beads of pearls. Beads, we can use different kind of beads here. You need to keep in mind that beads hole should be big one. It should not be smaller, so that it is easy for you. And here I am showing you a small beads, sugarcane beads. See, chamki. This chamki is also available in different models. And these are the big beads, golden beads. These are tubes, sugarcane tubes. These are the full cane tubes, half cut beads also there. These are all materials in generally we use in Aari embroidery. Okay, these are the small beads, golden antique model. These are also bigger one, designed beads, tubes. And this is some kind of beads available in bunches and low lace. All materials are very quality, and these are Jardosi tubes. Jardosi tubes also available in gold and silver and other multicolors. Here I am showing you the golden one. Small beads also available in different colors. I showed antique and golden and some other colors also here. And I told you, right, chamkis in leaves model. Apart from this, you can use the stone laces. Yeah, this is the most important one. These are the needles. I have two models of needles, Aari needles. I'll explain you later about these needles. Okay, this is the Aari needle, and this is Jardosi needle. I'll make one separate video for needles, fully explanation how we use and what are the sizes and all. Here also I can tell you that crochet 14 number 0.5 mm size you can use for this Aari materials, Aari needle. But in generally what I have shown you, that doesn't have any number. Okay, so here are the kundans. These are 20 mm kundans, teardrops, flower kundans. Okay, these kundans also available in different colors, different multi varieties you have. Here some to get some idea, I am just giving you some models here. In generally 20 mm, 10 mm, also 0 size available. These kundans are two different types. One is stitchable and one is stickable. Why I am saying, you can use only glue to stick them and you can use it. Along with the glue you need to stitch also. So these are two varieties. And these are the most important one, mirrors. Here mirrors are nothing but a very thin layer in round and diamond, square, teardrops, different models are there. Okay, we generally use rounded square mirrors with different sizes, smaller, bigger, like that. So that's it guys, hope you people have liked my video. Please give a thumbs up button and share it in your communities. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Wait for the next video. Thanks for watching.